Initially in Lincoln, dry with cloud cover, temperatures in the lower and middle 30s, but I think we will eventually rise into the middle and upper 30s. Some rain will become possible, especially going into the afternoon and evening. That's when Lincoln will likely see the highest rain chance, but there are precipitation type concerns. We'll talk about all that in just a moment. We'll say 37 the high today in Lincoln, maybe 40 in Beatrice, but getting awfully close to the freezing mark for high temperatures a little bit farther north and west. That is where we expect the bulk of any issues due to wintry precipitation. So 7 a.m. this morning, you see snow to the west, maybe a little bit of freezing rain in southwest Nebraska. In fact, that is what we are seeing right now. But again, dry in the eastern sections of the state. That's not going to last forever. Some rain will overspread southeast Nebraska, especially going into the afternoon hours. And I think we may be warm enough to see plain rain, but not too far to the north and west of Lincoln. You see these pink colors here where freezing rain will be likely, snow even farther north and west. Let's head Stormcast 6 o'clock. Rain here, freezing rain here, snow here, and really who sees what is just dependent on the track of the storm system. But again, Lincoln may see plain rain for most of the day, but you get closer to maybe Central City, Columbus, Grand Island, Hastings, Kearney, freezing rain might be a better bet. This kind of continues through the evening hours. Now, Stormcast 1 a.m., you still see rain, maybe a couple thunderstorms in southeast Nebraska, but the snow starts to overspread the Tri-Cities. All this kicks east by tomorrow morning. Maybe a couple of snow showers will be possible. We can't even rule out a couple of snow showers Tuesday afternoon in the capital city. So for that reason, we do have Lincoln in the 0 to 1 inch range. So if we can see one of those snow showers, and if it can be heavy enough, maybe as high as an inch, probably under an inch, though many locations in this range will see nothing at all. But 1 to 2 inches perhaps out towards Columbus or the Tri-Cities, and then the totals just ramp up as you head farther north and west. Some areas of north central Nebraska may see over 1 foot, maybe even a couple of areas of up to 2 feet. You see this very tight packing of these contours, though, so any minor shifts in the storm system will shift these ranges around just a little bit. The farther north and west you go, the best chance you have is seeing snow. Ice potential, that is mainly going to be in this corridor from maybe around the Tri-Cities up into northeast Nebraska. We have ice storm warnings in this chunk of real estate near Norfolk up towards Tacoma. Some areas could see up to a ½ inch of ice accrual. That would cause some major impacts on the roads, maybe even some power outages. At this time, you see we're dry in eastern Nebraska, but snow already ongoing in the western parts of the state. Even some freezing rain down towards McCook, and this is all spreading north and east out towards the Tri-Cities. So maybe before too long, seeing precipitation falling closer to the Tri-Cities eventually. Again, at some point, especially this afternoon, we will likely be dealing with precipitation in the capital city. But again, likely in the form of rain for most of the day in Lincoln, 37 degrees. Now, some snow showers will be possible on Tuesday. We're saying a high of 35 degrees. That'll probably occur during the first part of the day. That down arrow means temperatures will be falling during the afternoon. On Thursday, 28 degrees, or Wednesday rather, 28 degrees, maybe some lingering snow. By Thursday, 35 degrees, we should be dry, and then by Friday, back into the 40s.